In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add non-Steam desktop games to Steam Desktop. This is a quick and useful way to bring games that are already installed on your computer into your Steam library, so everything is easier to access in one place. In many cases, it can also let you take advantage of Steam features like the overlay and controller configuration support, which can make gameplay more convenient. To get started, open the Steam Desktop client and make sure you're signed in. Once Steam is open, go to the top menu bar and click Games. If that's not the easiest place for you to find, you can also click the Add a Game button in the bottom left corner of your library. Both options lead to the same menu, so either one works perfectly fine. Next, choose Add a non-Steam game to my library. Steam will open a list of programs it detects on your computer. Take a moment to scroll through that list and check the box next to the game you want to add. If you see it right away, that's the fastest option. If the game doesn't appear in the list, that's completely normal. Just click Browse to manually search through your files. This is especially helpful if the game came from another launcher or was installed in a custom location instead of a standard folder. As you browse, look for the game's executable file. On Windows, this usually ends with .exe. This is the file that actually launches the game, so be careful to choose the main game application and not a setup file, updater, or installer. A good tip is that the correct file name often matches the game's title. Once you've selected the correct file, or checked the right program from the list, click Add Selected Programs to finish. After that, the game will appear in your Steam library like any other title. You can always rename it or customize how it appears later, but the main setup